Exercise 6.2, question number 1. In figure 6.23, if AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, and Y ratio Z equals to 3 ratio 7, find the value of angle X. So here we can assume, as the ratio is given, so we can assume angle Y as 3A and angle Z as 7A. Now we see in the figure that we will apply here Y as 3A and Z as 7A. Now we have to find some relation between angle Y and Z. So we see that if this is angle Y, so this will also be angle Y, vertically opposite angle. So this will also be 3A. Now we can see that this angle and this angle, both the angles are co-anterior angles, as CD is parallel to EF. Therefore, we can write that 3A plus 7A will be equals to 180 degree, as they form co-interior angles. So tan A equals to 180 degree, A equals to 180 by 10, and we can cancel it. So value of A will be 18. Now we can find out the values 3A and 7A. So 3A is equals to 3 into 18, that is 54, and 7A equals to 7 into 18, that is equals to 126. Now we can see in the figure itself that as AB is parallel to EF, is it given, so angle X will be equal to angle Z. Angle X and angle Z, they are forming alternate angles. Angle X equal to angle Z. So we write they are alternate angles. So angle X will be equal to the value of Z. Z is 7A. Value of 7A is 126. So X will be equals to 126 degree.